Hi Oracle database fans, this is shoaib, and in this video we are going to see how to recur an Oracle database with cold backup using until time. Okay, so as you know that we have different strategies while you are backing up your Oracle database, that is cold backup, online backup, and man backups. Okay, so here we are going to see how to recur an Oracle database if you have a cold backup. Okay, so let's go. So these are the steps, all the steps we are going to do in this video. Okay, so we are just making a scenario in this video, or what all we are going to do in this video is just making a scenario. Okay, so first I'm going to make a table and I'm going to insert some rows in that table. Okay, so first connect to the database. Okay, Oracle XID ORCL. Okay, scale plus CCP. Okay, so connected to the database. So first I'm going to see the database name. Okay, select name from the database. So fine, I'm connected to ORCL database. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up a user, any user, and I'm going to connect to that user, and I'm going to create a table. Okay, I'm going to insert some rows in that table. Okay, so see the users, what are the existing users in this database. Okay, so so these are all the users in this database. So take any user. So I will go with this. Okay, start user. So I'm connecting to start user now. So connected to the user. So I'm going to create a table here. So is there any tables? No, there are no tables. So I'm going to create a table here. Create table name. Open the column. Here you have to specify the column name, EMP ID, number, range for that column. Okay, 12. Table created. Okay, select star from tab. Okay, so we have one table created. Now I'm going to insert some rows in that. Okay, so here I'm going to insert some more rows in the table. So I'm using your PLSQL procedure. Okay, so begin for I in 1 to 100. Okay, start the loop, insert into EMP values equal to, give any values for this EMP ID. Okay, EMP ID, we have only one column in this table. Okay, so any value now, and loop, and okay, procedure successfully completed. Okay, so commit to save the transaction permanently. Okay, now so our EMP table has only 100 rows. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut down my database properly, and I'm going to take a cold backup, that is copying all the related files of the database using OS command, that is cp. Okay, so let's shut down the database. Okay, so after shutting down the database, I have to copy all my data files. So before that, I'm going to see my data file location. Okay, select name from the data file. Okay, so as you can see here, my all data files exist in OPT Home app, Oracle, Data, ORCL. So in this ORCL directory, I have all my data files. Okay, so let's see the log file location. Okay, select member group hash from the $log file. So as you can see here, this database has 3 groups, and the log files are also on the same location, that is ORCL directory. So now I'm going to shut down the database and copy all the related files of the database. So shut immediate. So now it will shut down your database. That is basically a file is not going to be used anymore. Okay, so the database close all your data files and synchronize all the headers of the data files and made it consistent. And you shut down. Finally, it will shut down your instance, and so that your data files are no more in use. Now you can copy all your data files. That is called cold data. Okay. So now I'm going to make a directory to copy all my backup files in that directory. Okay, so I'm on OPT Home, this location. At this location, I'm going to make a directory to copy all the backup files. Okay, mpdir whole bkp. Okay, so in this directory, I'm going to keep my all backup files. Okay. So go to the location to copy all the database files. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, so this is the location where all my data files, control files, and redo files are. So now I'm going to copy all the files to this directory. So to this directory, which I have just made this directory, as you can see here. Okay, so it will take some time. So I have copied all my data files, log files, control files to this directory. Okay, so just see. Okay, so as you can see here, I have copied my all the data files in cold bkp directory. Okay. Now, the next step is, after copying all the related files of the database to the backup directory, now I'm going to open the database, and again, I'm going to insert some more rows. Okay, so let's connect to the database. ORCL SQL / assist/dba. Startup. So now what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to connect to the start user, and I'm going to insert some more rows in EMP table. Okay, so transform EMP. So it has only 100 rows, as you can see here. So now I'm going to insert some more rows, and I'm going to use the same procedure, PLSQL procedure. Okay. Begin for I in 1 to 1900. Okay, so it will be finally 1000 rows. Insert into EMP. Values equal to any values. And loop and Okay, save the time like permanently. Okay, so now select so the EMP table has 1,000 rows, and now I'm going to create one more table. Okay, so with same 1,000 rows. Okay, so remember that our last code backup has only 100 rows. Okay, so create table name as select star from EMP. Commit. Now we have two tables, that is EMP and EMP01. Okay, so the last code backup has only EMP table with only 100 rows. Okay, so these both tables have 1,000 rows, as you can see here. Select count from EMP01. Okay, so EMP01 also has 1,000 rows here. Okay, so now I'm going to drop the table. Okay, so I'm going to drop the table. So before you are going to drop the table, note the current time. Okay, so connect to the switch user. So here we are seeing the time that as I have already said that in this video we are going to see a recurring until time. Okay, so I have to note the time, what is the current time by which I can recover my database. Okay, so before that I'm going to switch some log files, do some switches. Okay, order system SWITCH log file. Okay, now I'm going to see the current time. Okay, so select to cap shift date. From here I have to specify the format of the time. Okay, so Y. DD, no, MM, month, DD date is to HH24 is to MI minutes is to SI seconds. Okay, time run dual. Okay, what is the mistake here is, okay, here this is access. Okay, so sorry, oops. So as you can see here, so this is how you have to specify the time. This is not SI, so you have to specify SS seconds. That is okay. So here, this is the current time. So until this time, I have two tables and with 1,000 rows. Okay. So now I'm going to note this time. Okay. Any file. Okay. TM. Okay. So open a file and I'm going to make a note of this time. Okay. So this was the time. Okay, as you can see here. Okay. So now I'm going to grab the table. Okay. Connect to Scratch user. Drop table EMP port. and I'm going to drop the another one also, so that is emp01. Okay, drop table emp01 purge. Okay, so select star from tab, so we have no tables. Okay, so in this scenario, how you can recover your database if you have cold backup, that is. So now you have to shut down the database. Okay, so after dropping the database, drop the table. We have dropped our tables. Okay, so now you are going to shut down our database. Okay, shut immediate. Now, after shutting down your database properly, now I'm going to restore my core backup data files, only data files, to the database directory. Okay, so it's over. So go to the database directory first. Okay. So here I have my all data files, log files. Okay, this is the database directory. Okay, so now from this directory I'm going to remove the data files. Okay, so ls dbf. So these are all my data files of this ORCL database. Okay, so now I'm going to remove all these data files. I'm going to delete all these data files, and I'm going to restore the data files, all the data files, only data files from last core backup. Okay, so alright. Okay, so I have deleted all my data files. Now I'm going to copy only data files from last core backup. Okay, so star dbf only data files from last core backup. cp, this is the location where I have all my backup files. So I'm copying only data files as I specified here, star dbf. Okay, so this is .win, and here I'm saying that to this directory. Okay, to current directory. Okay, so guys, it's over. So I have copied all my data files from last core backup. So now I'm going to I have restored all my data files from last core backup to the database directory. Now I'm going to open the database in mount state, and I'm going to recover the database using until time. Okay, so let's see. Port Oracle SID ORCL. Okay, SQL plus. Okay, so now here you have to open the database in mount state. Okay, startup mount. Whenever you are doing the recovery at the database level, you have to open the database in mount state. Okay, so now I'm going to recover. Okay, recover database until time. So here we have many options while you're using until, that is until time, until sequence, until change, and until SCN. Okay, so here in this video we are seeing that until time. Okay, so until time, here you have to specify your time. So what was the time that, so cat, so here, so this was the time. Copy, paste. Okay, so let's see. So media recovery completed. Okay, so it should show that media recovery completed means your recovery process is successfully completed. Okay, now open the database. alter database, open. So whenever you are doing an incomplete repair, you have to open the database in reset lock means that is Oracle will reset your archive sequence. Okay. So connect. So alter database, open, reset locks. Now it will reset your archive sequence. Okay. Archive lock sequence. Okay. Okay, so database altered. So now I'm going to connect to the start user and I'm going to see my tables. Okay. Select star from that. Okay, so as you can see here, both the tables are recorded as until this time we have both the tables. So by specifying this time, Oracle will record your tables. Okay, so this is how we so let's see the rows. Okay, select count from EMP. So it has 1000 rows. See EMP 01. Okay, so both the tables has recovered successfully. So this is how we recover your database using cold backup. Okay, so this is all about how to recover your database with cold backup using until time. Okay, so thanks for watching. Goodbye.